What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy CEEFAM. We back at it with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we're gonna be going up to the dyno shop. All right, I'm just trying to see, man, how much power does my car really put down whenever I'm in that little custom SRT mode track and I'm going crazy on the road, you hear me? So look, we're gonna see how much horsepower, how much torque the car putting out. I don't care too much about the torque. I care about the horsepower to the wheels. All right, it's probably what y'all care about too. So look, comment down below right now, man, how much do y'all think the car is gonna put down to the wheels, man? All right, I'm guessing I'd say like 715. All right, the car stock 797. I'm guessing 715, y'all. So look, comment down below right now how much horsepower y'all think we're gonna put down to the wheels, man. But look, before we do that, I'm gonna go to the tire shop, man, and see what the hell wrong with my back tire. All right, I think it's the one on the passenger side, the passenger rear. But I don't know, we're gonna see, man. Hopefully they can patch me up right quick, you know, take care of the man, you heard me? But look, with that being said, bro, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Look, you know, you boy got the soccer jersey on, man. Y'all be getting on me about the teams I support, man. I don't know what team this is. You know, Mercedes-Benz on the shoulder, man. It's hard. You know, I don't mess with the soccer teams, y'all. I just like the jerseys. So excuse me. But look, man, let's get to the video, man. Damn. Got the car, man. You said what? You said it needs to get washed? Oh God, it do. So left the dealership, man. He said I had a nail in this tire right here, but this one didn't go all the way through. It just, I don't know, kind of whatever. So the guy, he took it out. He said, yeah, you know, I'm gonna check it, and this one didn't go all the way through, thank God. But the other one, sheesh. Well, the tire is off, man. He already took the tire off, so I'm just waiting. I guess he's gonna patch it up for me. The dealership said that they basically couldn't do anything for me. They couldn't patch it up, do anything. I guess it's against their policy or whatever. But I feel like if I have warranty on it, then, like, you know what I'm saying, that's what I pay for, the warranty, right? That's what I pay y'all to do, to be able to fix anything. So yeah, but it's all good, man. I'm over here at 8 tires and wheels. He in that bit right now fixing everything. So yeah, look, if y'all need any work done to y'all tires, man, coming down to 8 tires and wheels, tire repair, new and used tires, they obviously sell that, right? So that's the phone number, man. I definitely recommend them. So yeah, I'm just waiting, man. This is my first time ever having to deal with a nail in my tire, bro. I never had to deal with that. Being that the car still is new or whatever like that, it's used, right? But it's still new, you know. So yeah, we're gonna get to it, man. We're gonna see what they got, see how much it is and all that. I don't think it'll be too expensive, probably like $50-$60 for one tire, maybe. Hey boss, so you mind if I like see the thing right quick, man? Like exactly where it was messed up at or whatever, man?
I was right in the center, bro. They should have patched it for you.
Jeez, yeah, see that? Nice and patched up. All right, for sure. I appreciate it, man, for sure, brother, yeah.
Yeah, I put a hot patch on the inside. My patch is lasting life for the tires.
Okay, bet. Thank you so much, man, for sure. Damn, took care of me, man. As soon as I pulled up, y'all, it didn't even take 2 minutes, man. Boom, got me right, bro. That's what's up, man. That's the kind of service that you want, dog. Like I said, 8 tires and wheels, man. That's the number right there. If y'all in Colorado Springs area, y'all need some work done, man, come on down for real. You got me right, bro. Sheesh. So he said, I mean, it should last the whole life of the tire. So yeah, we're gonna see, man. I don't want to have to keep putting air in my tire every 2 to 3 days, because yeah, that's a pain. So we gonna see. All right, CEEFAM, so we just now got to the shop, dog. Keep in mind, y'all, I ended up calling like 3 different shops today, and this was the only shop that said, man, look, I could fit you in within an hour's notice. All right, you know me, look, content never stop, man. I'm not trying to get fit in next week, you hear me? I'm trying to get fit in right now. So shout out to this shop, man. It's called Rocky Mountain Competitive Research. You know, if y'all can see that, man, on the screen. But yeah, Rocky Mountain Competitive Research, man. You know, just looking over there, y'all, they have a Grand Cherokee SRT on some wheels, man, red brake caliper. So we're gonna go see, man. Like I said, we have an appointment today at 2 o'clock. It's currently 1:57, dog. 1:57. So yeah, the car looks good, bro. Like I said, comment down below, y'all. What do y'all think the car is gonna make? I think it's gonna make like 715. You know, the car is broken in. We sitting at 4,000 miles now, CEEFAM. 4,000 miles. All right. So with that being said, bro, let's go in the shop, see what the more talking about, and yeah. But yeah, y'all, just coming into the shop, man, they got this Futurama right here, which go crazy, bro. They got this Shelby. I don't know if this is 350 or 500, bro, but this thing is clean, dog. Ooh, I don't know what they doing to it, but yeah. And they got this Mero right here. Look like it's getting some crazy work done, man. Crazy work. Oh, then shit, walk over here. Oh my god, got a damn Corvette. Y'all see that thing, man? Big Z06. Got another Mero right there, getting some work. So yeah, this shop, man, look like they got some power, dog. Look like they got some power, man. Yo, this thing right here is a beauty, bro. You hear me? Old Camaro 302 engine, man. Z28. This thing is a beauty, dog. God. Then they got this SRT Grand Cherokee Jeep, man. Y'all know how I feel about these. You can do so much to this, man. And it's all wheel. They got the Borla exhaust on that bit. Oh my god. Oh yeah, the man driving the whip over, man. Shee. Yo, we finna see what's gonna happen, man. I'm really curious, dog, to see how much horsepower, you know, baby got stock. All right, all we got on it, y'all, is a mid muffler delete, dog. That don't add power. All right, it just make it sound a little better. Promise. That's it. All right, so yeah, we gonna see, man. I'm really curious to see, man, how much power we gonna make. Yeah, I still think this thing is beautiful though, man, for sure. This thing is beautiful for sure, man. Get out the way, boy, run me over. Nah. But yeah, y'all, look, stay tuned, man. Give y'all all the visuals, all the views, dog. So let's get to it, man. Oh yeah, we just getting everything ready, man. Strapping it down. I'm really excited, y'all. I want to hear this thing, see this thing, try to perform right. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Tried to show y'all all the vehicles that they have in here, man. Jesus Christ, bro. Yeah, this shop almost have like 5 stars, man. So it has to be a good shop. Everybody say, oh, go to Denver, go to Denver, go to Denver for your performance needs. Shit, look like people down here know what they doing, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna just take my car, you know, almost 100,000, right, to just anybody. So yeah, like I said, man, come over here, man, if y'all want something done or anything, bro. So let's get to it, man. Uh-oh. So how much was that first one? Let's see what we got, man. 705. All right, so the first one, we got 705 and 686. All right, that's too easy, man. Jesus Christ. So do you feel like the second one is always better than the first one as far as like, or?
Depends on how hot the vehicle is.
Okay, too easy. All right, so shit, y'all heard it, man. First one, y'all, we got 705 and whatever else the torque was. I don't care about the torque, man. But yeah, that was the first run, man, the first pull. So we about to do the second one right now, man. Hopefully we get better numbers. Like I said, 715. So yeah, comment down below. Y'all think we're gonna get higher or worse? So let's get to it, man. Second one, here we go. Jesus Christ, y'all. So that was the second one, man. We finna go over here, see what we got, dog. That was the second pull. Hopefully it was a little better, but we gonna see, man. I said 715. I don't know what y'all said. 697. All right, so 697, 684 torque. Yeah, so we at 705 right now. All right. Okay, yeah, so we can probably do like one more and then just to like see, bro. This all good. That's fine. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Just don't stand in belt line.
Okay, I got you, yeah, for sure. All right, so first one, y'all, was 705. Second one was 697. So I'm gonna just film from the front this time, just so y'all can get a different angle, man, different view of everything. God. Damn. Hoping that the third one, well, this one right here, y'all, is a little better. If not, then it's okay, man. I was off. I don't know. I said 715. I don't know what y'all commented, right? So I don't know. I'm pretty satisfied with it, man. It's not like I said 730, you know what I'm saying? So 715 was kind of, you know, about that number. So let's see, man. Let's see. Okay, yeah, 686. Yeah, probably just heat soaked, man. So as y'all can see, our highest one was 705, second one 697, third one 686. That's our torque right there. So all right, that's too easy, man. I mean, I had told him like 715, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not like disappointed, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So 705, that's not bad, man. For like a stock car running 705, hey, you know, it's all good with me. Yeah, got you. Appreciate it, brother. Yes, sir. Jesus Christ, this thing a beast, man. To say it's stock, you know, no headers, no cam, no intake, right? Nothing, y'all. Just a mid-muffler delete, man. We at 705. That's impressive, man. Car straight out the factory running over 700. That's impressive to me, dog. So all right, CEEFAM. So look, just now got out the dyno shop, dog. Shout out to them, man. Rocky Mountain Competitive Research, man. Shout out to them. They don't have an Instagram, nothing like that, y'all. But you know, I was talking to the owner and all that. He basically saying, look, all you really need, man, is an upper pulley and a tune. All right. Intake, if you want, you know, the stock intake would do fine, but I will get an aftermarket intake. I don't know if I should get the B Woody. I don't know if I should get, you know, leg maker or JLT. JLT would probably give me the best performance. At least that's what I heard. B Woody and leg maker would give me the best sound and all that. You know, they even gave me my own little dyno sheet, man. I will put a picture up of this just so y'all can make sure. Look, I'm not lying, I'm not cap. I never cap to y'all. All right, so yeah, I was just talking to him, man. It was like, yeah, don't get headers. Headers is not gonna make a difference in a supercharged car with like this one. All right, in my Z01, I'm pretty sure it made a difference, but in this car, y'all, no, like it's not gonna make a difference. So I'm thinking of doing, y'all, the catless mids for sure. I'm thinking about doing intake. I'm thinking about doing what else? Intake, catless mids, upper pulley, and a goddamn tune. All right, so they kind of gave me like a pricing sheet or whatever. I'm not gonna go over it too much, man, but they just wanted to give me a baseline of what I'd look to pay and blah blah blah. Order me another ECU tune with HP tuners. I wanted to go with Diablo, y'all, but I do realize, man, that like HP is more universal than Diablo, or tuners would rather go with HP, tune with HP over Diablo. I think I was so sold over the Diablo tuner because of the, you know, the big fancy screen, but they say I can still buy the screen, they just can't tune with the screen, if that makes sense to y'all, right? So yeah, look, like I said, man, for a car that's stock, you know, coming straight out the factory, y'all, making 705, I'm not mad at the numbers. I know I said 715, so I was off 10 horsepower, big whoops. All right, the car stock didn't do nothing to it, y'all. So like I said, I'm pretty impressed with the numbers, dog. I'm really elated right now. I'm really happy, man. It doesn't show on the dyno sheet, man, all 3 pulls, but I kind of showed y'all on the dyno screen, right? The first pull was 705, the next one was like 697, the third one was like 680 something. So I feel like the car was getting a little heat soaked in Colorado. Elevation is different, right? It's hot here, you know, the engine was hot, you know, it kind of went back to back to back. I put on the engine chiller or the supercharger chiller feature, you know, just to cool down the engine in between pulls. But it is what it is. The car was still hot. So first pull 705, I'm pretty happy with that, man. Yeah, like I said, mods gonna be coming to the car, y'all. I'm not rich, right? Mods take time. Building the car takes time. I'm not trying to go too stupid with this car. I'm just trying to do everything I can to it within my budget, you know what I mean? So look, that's why y'all gotta keep hitting that like button, subscribe, comment, tell y'all friends to tell their friends. Look, yeah, we trying to build up this channel, y'all. All right, so yeah, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. I'm trying to bring y'all bangers. I'm trying to get out the house and do stuff, meet people, network, all that, man. So like I said, bro, I appreciate y'all for stopping in to the boy channel. Yes, sir. It's your boy C Will, right? And I'll holler at y'all in the next video, baby.